naman pasalamatan lahat ng ahensya ng gobyerno. Ito po ay bagong pahina sa UNTV Sports. Pagkatapos ng 10 executions ng UNTV Cup Basketball, kami po ay naglilipat ng pahina.
On behalf of the PSC, I would like to thank UNTV for hosting this charitable volleyball tournament. Today we come together through sports to bring forth a positive impact, not just here, but in our communities.
Naway, magkaroon po ang UVL ng napakaraming kwento, ng mabuting karanasan, maraming matutulungan at higit sa lahat, pakikisa sa pamilya ng UNTV.
We would like to welcome everyone to our first ever UNTV Volleyball League. And this is just the beginning.